In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new contact in Microsoft Outlook. Keeping your contacts organized in Outlook makes emailing, scheduling meetings, and sharing information much faster. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can confidently add someone to your address book and find them whenever you need. First, open Outlook and let it load your mailbox. Give it a moment to sync if you've just launched the app. You should see your usual inbox view. Everything we do next happens right inside Outlook, no extra tools required. Next, switch to your contacts area by selecting People on the left-hand menu. Depending on your version, this might appear as the word People or as an icon with two silhouettes. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover to expand it or click the menu icon so you can see the labels. When you're in the right place, you'll be taken to a clean view that focuses on your contacts rather than your email. Now add your new entry by choosing Add a Contact. Look for a button that says Add a Contact or New Contact, often at the top of the window with a plus sign. This opens a form where you'll enter the person's information. Make sure you're selecting the standard contact option, not a contact list, since we're adding a single person. Fill in the contact details carefully. Start with first and last name, then add the primary email address you'll use most. Include a phone number, mobile or work, so you can reference it later from your desktop or mobile Outlook app. If you know their company and job title, add those too. This helps when you search and when you're organizing contacts by organization. Consider adding a photo so you can spot the person at a glance, and use the notes area to capture context like how you met or key details you often reference. If your Outlook shows extra fields such as birthday, office location, website, or a second email, fill in whatever is helpful for you. Accuracy matters here. Double check spelling and numbers to avoid bounced emails or missed dials. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. Outlook will store the contact in your default contacts folder, and you'll be able to find them later by searching their name or email from the People view or even directly from the main search bar. If you ever need to update something, open the contact, make your changes, and select Save and Close again. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, your new contact is ready to use across Outlook, making communication smoother and faster every day.